6 Secrets of Getting Rich. Everybody wants to know the secrets of getting rich. Internet and books are full of secrets. No fast rule to acquire wealth exists, but some common and wise tricks used by the world's wealthiest men are enough. Easy money is not the way to get rich. Instead, values, hard work, expertise are required for success. We all have goals and dreams to live a luxurious life without financial worries. To fulfill goals, vision, and aims are necessary. The effort, sleepless nights speaks for themselves at the right time. Study the life of wealthy and successful people, and you will see how they started with nothing and reached the heights of success only with determination and clear vision. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Here are 6 secrets of getting rich. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first is a finance-related phrase describing the mentality of investors. This means as soon as you get monthly income, save the fixed money in a saving account or other means of saving before paying for your monthly expenses. Financial experts regard this rule as an effective one for saving money. When you pay yourself first, you have to spend the entire month with the remaining money, no matter what. If you don't pay yourself first, and after spending the money on all other expenditures, your wallet will have little money for saving. Number 2. Get help from a mentor. An experienced person has more knowledge than a person who is more educated but zero experience. Taking advice from a professional and senior person can help you to solve a complex issue. A mentor is a person with professional expertise, knowledge, skills to share with those who need financial advice. Mentors help you set the right goals, warn you about possible challenges, and offer constructive criticism. Through their connections, you get the best opportunities. A mentor is usually one you are inspired by and want to make the same success as him. Number 3. Put your money to work. Money is earned after a lot of hard work while spending much time and energy. But the most important step after getting money is to put it into work. Put money into work, meaning putting money in profit accounts or investing money in some business, real estate, or stock. Through investment, you will have absolute control over your money to establish financial strength and independence. If saved in a simple account, the money does not benefit you, so it's better to put it to work to earn more for yourself. Number 4. Stop buying liabilities. How to increase wealth so that you can afford everything you want. This is a question in the minds of every wannabe to live luxurious. The secret of all the rich people you see on the internet is that they buy assets, not liabilities. If you want to put money to work, invest it into profitable assets. Liabilities are those commodities that drain money from your wallet, while assets are classes of multiple investment strategies to make money. Expensive brands, luxury homes, and cars are all liabilities that cost you money. Meanwhile, investment in assets like stocks, bonds, derivatives, and real estate secures money many times more. It's best to avoid liabilities and start investing in asset classes to fulfill the dream of getting rich. Number 5. Invest in things you understand. You don't take medicine without a doctor's prescription because you don't have knowledge about the medicines. Similarly, if you are unaware of the business or company policies, don't commit the mistake of investment. If you are planning to invest money, make sure you understand the complexities of the real estate business, stocks, bonds, or other investment agencies to avoid fraud or discomfort. Number 6. Eliminate excuses. Only you can change your life entirely, nobody but yourself. You can either destruct yourself by making excuses and blaming others, or make your life great by determination. Excuses are the outcomes of your fears, and that stops you to experiment with something new. People make countless excuses for their failure, they even blame other people. No one is responsible for your failure, but yourself. If you want to achieve big, then start that business right now. Excuses should not be the hurdles, try to overcome your fears and see the results. Thanks for watching.